Now let's cover what's liftable content and why AI cares so much about it. Liftable content is content that AI can easily pull from, summarize, and reuse when answering questions. That's the key. AI doesn't read your page the way a human does. It doesn't slowly scroll, admire your storytelling, or appreciate clever transitions. It just scans, it looks for clever ideas, clean structure, and then obvious answers that it can supply to its users. So if your content is vague, fluffy, or buried under unnecessary words, AI is probably gonna skip it. So what makes content liftable? It starts with strong topic senses. Every section should begin with a clear statement that answers something directly. Not a teaser, don't do build-up, but it's an actual answer. If AI lifted just the first sentence of a section and dropped it into an answer, it should still make sense on its own, without the surrounding context. If it does, you're on the right track. Then it's semantic natural language questions as headings. H2s were always important in traditional SEO, but now your H2s should look like real questions a person would actually ask. How does AI SEO work? What's the difference between X and Y? Is this tool worth it for small teams? That's how people search now, and AI understands those patterns extremely well. Headings like this give AI clear signals about what problem each section is solving. Again, we're removing friction. And then there's wording and structure AI can understand. This includes short paragraphs, clear definitions, explicit and honest comparisons, minimal jargon. Because you're not writing to impress anyone. You're writing so a machine and a human can understand you instantly. Here's a simple way to think about it. If AI had to quote your content directly in an answer, would it still make sense out of context? If yes, it's liftable. If not, it's invisible. And beyond what I just talked about, there are a few things that matter a lot. One is explicit definitions. Don't imply what something means. Define it clearly. So say X is or Y refers to. AI loves definitive language because it removes ambiguity and it provides a better experience to its own user. Another big one is clear comparisons and trade-offs. AI is constantly being asked to evaluate options. Content that spells out differences, pros and cons, and use cases gets pulled far more than often vague explanations. And you can't blame the AI for doing that. So think about the following. X is better if, but Y is better if. The downside of A is, the upside is. That kind of clarity is extremely liftable. Beyond that, lists and frameworks also help. Numbered steps, bullet points, simple frameworks with names, these are easy for AI to extract and reuse without rewriting. Of course, consistency matters too. If you describe your product 3 different ways on one page, the AI is going to get confused. You can't blame it. So pick clear language and repeat it. Consistency builds confidence. And finally, your tone. Your tone matters a lot. AI does not trust hype, it trusts clarity. Clarity is the name of the game. Content that explains things calmly, acknowledges limitations, is honest, and avoids salesy language will get lifted far more than content pretending everything is perfect. Don't be stodgy and corporate. Be real. So the mental test is simple. Could AI pull a paragraph from your page, drop it into an answer, and have it still make sense? If yes, it's liftable. If not, it's invisible.